Good day, everyone. Welcome to Coffee Break. For today, we're going to talk about paano nga ba mag-franchise kay Coffee Break. But before that, let me introduce you myself. So my name is Cedric Cerveria, and I'm the owner of Coffee Break under Yao Corporation. So today, our agenda is all about the company, mission, vision, market, milestone, management team, the services that Coffee Break offered, menu, potential income, franchise promo, and franchise packages. Yan. Ito po yung mga produkto natin, yung mga products natin na ating ino-offer na sa market. So we have our hot coffee, iced coffee, we have our latte, we have milk tea, frap, and then fruit tea. So Coffee Break is a bustling cafe that is committed to providing customers with affordable and delicious beverages. Our menu features a wide variety of options including coffee, milk tea, and latte, all priced as low as 29 pesos. So di ba po, napakamura and affordable. We take the pride in offering products at affordable prices without compromising on quality with the branches spanning nationwide. So Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao na po yan. We strive to make our beverage accessible to everyone. So whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a milk tea lover, or simply looking for a refreshing drink, Coffee Break is the perfect destination for you. So our mission and vision is to be the leading provider of premium coffee, milk tea products, and enriching the lives of our customers nationwide. So we are committed to sourcing the finest quality ingredients, promoting sustainability, and delivering exceptional service to create delightful moments for every beverage lover. Our vision is to elevate the coffee and milk tea experience in every home, office, community across the nation. We strive to be the preferred choice for discerning consumer seeking the perfect blend of taste, convenience, and quality. So ito po yung sabi natin na let's say, parang gusto ko mag-coffee. O tara, coffee break tayo. Parang gusto ko rin mag-milk tea or to have something refreshing. Or tara, coffee break tayo. So through our extensive distribution network, we aim to inspire and connect people through the love of a good cup of coffee and refreshing milk tea, enriching the lives one sip at a time. Ayan po. Kasi ito po yung market natin. So coffee is the second most consumed beverage in the household next to the water. Agree po ba kayo doon? Ako po, yes. So, according to Food Editorial Beverage Guide, in the Philippines, sa Pilipinas na lang po, 9 out of 10 households have their coffee in their pantries. Yes, totoo po yun. Halos lahat ng bahay ay may kape. And 8 out of the 10 adults in the country drinks an average of 2.5 cups of coffee every day. Again, I agree po. Ako nga po more than 2.5 cups of coffee every day. So this is one of the reason why it's good time for us now para mag-venture kay coffee or sa coffee. So our market in Luzon, we have 38.2 million, Visayas 72.2 million, and in Mindanao, we have 21.6 million. Ayan po. And our milestone. So we are happy to share you our humble beginning. So this January, so we build a franchise system, and by February, we start to share the franchise system with our franchisees. So we open it na. So we're open for franchising, and then by March, kagad, so we have our 100 franchise closed nationwide. So talagang Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and then we cannot thank enough po yung mga nagtiwala talaga sa amin at our beginning. So in the end of 2024, what we aim is onboarding of our distributor nationwide. So ito po yung ating mga pages. Ito po yung nakikita nyo ngayon. Ito yung mga pages natin ng mga franchises natin. So if you would like to check our legitimacy, pagiging legit natin. So ito po, you can message them. You can search more of them pa. So actually here is we put over 120 branches nationwide. But to give you exact number, I think we are on 154 branches nationwide na po. Yan. So our management team, to elevate the coffee and milk tea experience in every home and office and community across the nation. So we are here po to achieve yon. And we are here po para mag-provide sa inyo ng service. So from the beginning of your inquiries up to na magiging franchisee po namin kayo, kami po yung lagi ninyong makakasama, makakausap, to answer all your inquiries, questions, and then syempre to share a very, sabihin natin, magandang mga moment. So exchange of good moment kapag po sa in terms of sales natin. And then of course, we're here to support you always. And most of the time po talaga kami po yung makakasama po nila or makakausap nila. So it's me, Cedric Cerveria, the Chief Executive Officer, and then I have here my team, Enrique, Shara, Eunice, and Albert. So we are happy to serve you po. Ayan. So these are the services that we offer. So we have franchising, dealership, distributorship, franchisor, building a brand. So for now, let's say for example, if gusto niyo po malaman about dun sa dealership, distributorship, and the rest, we can discuss that in a different presentation. But for now, we are focusing on franchising. And again, this is the product that we offer. So we have coffee, milk tea, fruit latte, frap, and fruit tea. And our products started at 29. So we have our 39, 49, 59, and 79. Very affordable, but yet we don't compromise the price. Siyempre, nandiyan din yung add-ons natin. So we have our cheesecake, pearls nata, and fruit jelly. And so ito na. Ito na yung exciting part. Sales projection. So this is the franchisee potential income. Ito na yun. 100 orders a day or per day. Sir, achievable po ba yun? Parang masyadong madami. Yes po, very achievable po yan. And marami sa ating franchisees, they're doing more than that po. So they're reaching 196, 130 plus a day. So let's say for example, I don't want to be over. So let's say, let's close it sa 100 cups na lang po. I-multiply natin yan sa 49ers natin na product. So 49 pesos, multiply natin in 30 days to 100. So that per day natin is 4,900 in 30 days po. So we have our 147,000 per month. So cost of goods natin, syempre meron yan. Hindi pwedeng puro sales na lang or puro benta na lang. Dapat may puhunan tayo. So product cost 100 cups, multiply natin sa 28.80. That would be equivalent to 2,880 per day. I-multiply po natin ulit sa 30 days. So that would be 86,400 per month. Siyempre, diyan po papasok pa rin yung mga other expenses natin. Let's say, for example, yung renta. Kung nagre-renta po kayo. May eliminate natin yan kapag ka po, hindi po sila nagre-renta or mas mababa pa po dyan yung talagang nire-rentahan nila. Staff payroll po nila, times 2 po yun. So, makakamenos tayo dyan kung sila rin mismo yung tatao or sila mismo yung talagang nagpapatakbo ng kanilang negosyo. Utilities and others. So, dyan po papasok yung bills natin. Let's say, for example, yung Meralco, yung tubig natin, then yung internet natin. So, let's say, total po niyan lahat is 28,000 per month. So, i-add lang po natin yung sa cost of goods natin. So, 86,400 per month. I-minus po natin dun sa total gross sales natin sa 147 per month. 47,000. So, that would be 32,600 per month. Maganda po ba yun? Yes po. Siyempre po. Aside pa po sa kinikita ninyo, kung nagtatrabaho pa kayo at may business kayo na ganito, 32,000 as added income is very 100% po na napakaganda para sa ating additional income natin. So, i-multiply pa po natin yan sa 12 months. So, we have 391,200 per year. So, yan po yung total annual net income natin. So, let's move with 150 cups po. So, 49 pa rin, ganun pa rin. So, we have 7,350 per day. Multiply natin sa 30 days. So, that will be 220,500 per month. And cost of goods natin yung pinakapuhunan natin. Yan yung mga cups, yung straw, yung ingredients natin. So, dyan po yung 4,320 per day natin. Multiply natin sa 30 days. So, that will be 129,600 per month. So, yung renta, ganun pa rin po. Staff payroll natin, other utilities. Total operational expense natin po, 28,000. Add po natin yan sa 129,600 and i-minus natin yan sa total gross sales natin. And still, you have your potential net income of 62,900 per month. At ang pinakamaganda pa talaga lagi niyan is kapag na-maintain natin yan, we have 754,800 per year. Yan po, napakaganda. Yes, bakit? Kasi po, let's say for example, there's a lot of companies out there, wala po akong may-mention na iba, pero saan po kayo nakakita ng business that can give you a return of investment in 1 month? So in just a month, pwede nyo na po mabawi kagad yung puhunan po nila. Tayo naman po nag-negosyo talaga eh. Pag nagbitiw po tayo, laging pumapasok natin kagad sa isip is, paano natin or kailan natin kaya mababawi yung in-invest natin? So, ito po yun. So, in 1 month, kaya nyo po talaga mabawi yung inyong pinuhunan. Yan po yung kagandahan doon. Sa ibang company, it could take 2 years, 3 years, or sometimes wala na po. Hindi po nila nakukuha. Ayan. So, let's move forward. How much is the franchise fee? Ayan po. So, we have our franchise fee, 95,888. So, napaka-affordable naman po niya. Pero don't worry. Yan. Naka-promo price po tayo ngayon. So, we have our 19,998. You can have the promo natin, si Coffee Break. Yan. Up to 10,000 worth of products at SRP price po yan. So use trade name and logo, free training, marketing collaterals. We have 2 years contract and then free consulting. So we are VAT exclusive, but if you would like to add a tax sa inyo po, so wala naman pong problema. On top of that 19,998, we're going to add po yung 12%. Yan. So, ito po yung mga inclusions nila na makikita nila. Ayan, yan po yung marireceive nila. And then, of course, we have our royalty fee. So, 150 pesos a month po yan. Let's say, for example, after franchise nyo po sa amin, pagka-franchise nila, so after a month you receive the inclusions po, yun na po, magbabayad na po sila ng 150 pesos a month. So, para saan ba yung 150 pesos a month? So, 150 pesos or royalty fee is a binding agreement between franchisees and franchisor for the use of trade name, trademark, and logo. So, dito rin po natin kinukuha yung ating mga budget. Let's say, for example, para sa ating mga advertisements, number one. So, pag nag-advertise tayo ng coffee break, lahat po na yung mga coffee break family is nadadala po nila. So, talagang mas nakikilala pa po nila tayo. And then, of course, syempre sa product development, hindi tayo pwede magpakampante sa market ngayon. Bakit? Dahil everyday po may nadidiscover or may nakikreate na panibagong mga produkto na pag hindi tayo sumabay sa market, pag hindi tayo nag-develop, saan tayo kukuha ng budget kapag wala tayong royalty fee. So in the end po, baka mangyari niyan, wala na pong tumangkilik sa atin. And then in the end, baka mahirap po niyan is mawala tayo. So ito po yung maliit na halaga, pero malaki po yung maitutulong sa atin. Ayan. So ito po yung sample of cart and stall natin. So we have this stall here and then we have our cart. So for the cart is 18,000 pesos. Ideally movable po yan. Ayan, meron po siyang LED light sa gilid and then yung pinakalikod po niyan is natutupi and nauusog-usog yan. May gulong po yan. Ayan. So ito po siya. Ayan ang ating coffee break. Kaso yun nga po, medyo limited slots na lang po tayo ngayon. So we have only 3 slots remaining po para po dun sa ating 9,998. So I hope na isa po kayo ngayon sa nakikinig ngayon na makakuha kagad ng slots natin. Ayan. So franchise onboarding process tayo. So syempre, initial discussion, nag-i-inquire kayo sa amin. So coffee break franchise meeting, presentation of model, business model. So paano natin i-run, ano po yung mga tanong nila, sasagutin namin yan. So ito po yung pine-present ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-franchise ngayon. And then, of course, para po makakuha kagad kayo ng reservation or makuha nyo kagad yung promo natin, you can reserve an area po. Let's say, for example, magbabayad po kayo ng 1,000 pesos. So, to secure nyo lang po yung area for 60 days. Pero, after 60 days po, dapat, or after 60 days, mafo-forfeit na po siya. So, within 60 days po na kapag reserve nyo po sa amin, dapat po ay makapag-final payment po kayo nung bayad po nila, yung pinaka-initial nila na 19,998. But don't worry po, yung 1,000 na po na yon na reservation natin is deductible na po yon sa total amount po ng kanilang franchise fee. Yan. So we have our contract signing here. Of course, our mutual agreement. Ordering process. So we will process your products po. Inclusions. And kung gusto nilang magkaroon pa ng dagdag orders. Let's say for example po, nag-franchise na po sila, nagbayad na sila. So magkakaroon po tayo ng GC. And then sa GC na yun, nandun po yung mga informations na kailangan nilang malaman. And aside from that, yung inclusions po natin, ililinaw ko po, we have our processing time of 1 to 2 weeks. Bakit po ganun katagal? Kasi po marami rin po tayong mga franchisees pa ngayon na ating pinaprocess yung mga inclusions nila na sila po yung mga nauna. So we wanted to be fair enough para po sa bawat isa kung sino po yung mga nauna nag-franchise na pinapadala natin ng mga produkto ng inclusions po nila. So yung 1 to 2 weeks na yon is just estimated time lang po. So it could be earlier po than that. Ayan. And then syempre, while waiting for sa inclusions, pwede nyo na rin po ma-review kung ano po yung mga products nyo pang i-add para at least one-time shipment lang po kayo or one-time shipment lang po tayo. Ayan. So in terms of delivery, so Coffee Break will recommend how your products will be delivered. So we will going to give you an options po. So we have our different buses or couriers. So may meron tayong mga Ninja Van, Flash Express, AP Cargo. So we have our Lalamove partners. So we have our for example, a Victory Liner, Ceres Liner, so marami pa po tayong mga buses. So in terms of training, Coffee Break will conduct actual training po dito sa ating training shop or training place. Kung malalayo naman po sila and they don't have enough time talaga para mag-visit sa amin to meet us face-to-face, we can set a Zoom meeting naman po para talaga dun sa mga malalayo. And then after the training, syempre, of course, meron na kayong mga knowledge, meron na rin po kayong mga products, our franchisee or as our franchisee, now you are ready to accept orders. Mag-ooperate na po sila. Ayun. So payment options po natin. So we have my account, of course, Cedric Sagarbaria. So, meron lang po tayong three options. So, ito po yung BPI, online banking natin, and then we have our Union Bank, and then sa GCash. Yung sa GCash po, medyo, let's say for example po, no, there will be a time po talaga na nalilimit po tayo. So, pag nalimit po tayo, i-advise na lang po namin kayo kung saan po kayong papadala. So normally po, tatlo lang po yan kapag nalimit po ako sa GCash, sa BPI, and Union Bank na lang po sila mag-send. Yan po. And then, salamat po sa pangunawa po nila. Yan. So, ito po, ito yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Ni Paulo. So, seize every opportunity that life offers you because when opportunity goes, they take a long time to come back. Ito po yung gusto kong i-impose sa inyong lahat. So, ito po, pinipresent natin ngayon is hindi lang basta nagkataon lang. I think it's your time na po or opportunity para sa inyo na kayo pong mga nanonood ngayon na mag-grab yung opportunity natin. Kasi hindi po lahat ng opportunity na dumarating sa atin is mauulit kagad. So, kaya po sinabi dito na every opportunity that life offers you because when opportunity go, they take a long time to come back. Yung iba po, hindi pa. One in a lifetime lang po yung opportunity na nagbibigay sa inyo ng ganito na business para doon sa mga aspiring na magkaroon ng business, na magkaroon ng sariling business na medyo pagod na sa, let's say sabihin mo, pamamasukan, or let's say sabihin mo yung talagang gusto na sanang mag-business talaga nila. So ito na po yung para sa inyo. Kasi po, hindi po laging may darating sa atin na ganitong oportunidad na papakawalan lang nila. And kasi minsan, kahit bumalik man to, baka hindi na po ganun kaganda. Or minsan, hindi na rin po talaga siya nauulit pa. So kung ako po sa inyo, pag-isipan nyo pong mabuti and sana po hindi po ito yung maging huli na opportunity para sa kanila. We're giving you and we're offering you a good opportunity right now to start your own business. So, ito po, sinishare ko lang po sa kanila. Yun po. Then, syempre, paano po kayo magko-connect sa amin? So, first of all, I would like to thank you. So, you can always visit us po sa Nine Lourdes, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So, you can book a taste for us po. So, you can visit us. Pwede po kayong pumunta. Pwede po kayong mag-tasting. And then, you can contact us always at 0962-927-0218. Yan po is smart. And then, syempre, of course, dun sa ating Facebook page. Ayan po. And then, ito na po yung ating end of slideshow natin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nakinig sa inyo. Yun lang po. Thank you.